that's some scary shit.
It's messed up. It probably doesn't get any worse than that. Well, you're wrong. It does.
Powerful waves have been seen hitting the shores of Tonga after a tsunami warning was issued for the Pacific nation following volcanic activity. Small tsunami waves of up to 30 centimeters had been recorded following the eruption, the Tonga Meteorological Office said.
And if you guys would just join hands, close eyes, and concentrate. Empty your mind of all the thoughts of today's troubles. Everything that went on, get that out of your mind. And 3, 2, and 1. What's happening?
The eruption on Friday was almost 7 times bigger than the one on December 20th, bigger in terms of the radius of the plume that was scattered from the volcano, up to 250 kilometers away from the volcano radius. Volcanic ash was raining down on Nuku'alofa, Tonga's capital. There had been a period of sustained volcanic activity in the area since Friday.
Shit, I couldn't breathe. Almost killed myself.
The volcano is located about 2,000 kilometers northeast of New Zealand and had been active from December 20, 2021, but was declared dormant on January 11th.
In the meantime, Tongan officials are working 24/7 to monitor further volcanic activity, which they say could last anywhere from weeks to months.
Early September of 2021, more than 22,000 earthquakes were recorded in the span of just 1 week on the island of La Palma.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
It was the first sign that something major was about to happen. A little over a week later, the Cumbre Vieja volcano erupted for the first time in 50 years, destroying 2,600 buildings and covering over 1,000 hectares of land.
When was this? What year was this?
Y'all got the game messed up, huh? I don't do this for fun. Never know what I might need this for. Might come in handy. Might want to shave. Might want to shave somebody else. Never know. Dismissed.